What if I told you not all businesses that make money are actually profitable? Sounds strange, right? That's where something called ROI comes in. Today, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. ROI stands for Return on Investment. In simple words, it tells you how much profit you earn compared to the money you invested. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine you start a small fish farming business. You invest 100,000 rupees. After a few months, you earn 150,000 rupees. Your profit is 50,000 rupees. Now the question is, was it a good investment? This is where ROI helps. ROI equals profit divided by investment times 100. So here, 50,000 divided by 100,000 times 100 equals 50% ROI. That means you earned 50% profit on your investment. ROI is not just a number. It's your decision-making tool. It helps you answer, is this business worth my time? Should I invest more money? Or should I stop and change strategy? Smart entrepreneurs don't just work hard. They track ROI and work smart. Let's say you have two business options. Business A gives you 30% ROI. Business B gives you 70% ROI. Which one will you choose? Obviously, business B. That's why ROI helps you compare opportunities and choose the best one. Remember this: revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, but ROI is reality. If you want to grow in business, don't just focus on earning money. Focus on how efficiently your money is working for you. That's the real game. Follow for more business insights.